Yes, it's exactly the same.
Oh yeah. Wait, so we're gonna fight the golem again as the boss?
Yeah, probably.
Probably means we're gonna get the same loot, right?
Yeah. I'm probably gonna go with different loot this time because, yeah.
Let's go, that baby.
Yeah, it's the same loot.
Just mowing down enemies.
Oh, here he goes. No,
Did not break.
I had to unplug my controller.
Deal.
Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
It's just a lot of area damage. So you got a whole bunch of enemies in one area. Boom.
Come at me, bitch.
Yes, this is. Oh, this is a guild. I want to heal my armor.
I'm gonna kill my sword, whatever that is.
Oh, damage reduction.
Oh, and mine now slows more. Perfect, because then I can keep sawing. So this time I'm gonna get the piglin armor.
Thundering quivers. Try that. I don't know which one is where I got the explosive bow, but I really want that back because it's awesome. How does this? Okay, so how does this quiver? Oh, it just electrocutes your enemies. Electricity.
Yeah, enough trolls and wait for you.
I got exploded by a creeper.
Is it charged?
No. Hey, there's a chargey looking one over here though. It's got like weird goo coming out of it.
Oh, holy crap! Kaboom! I gotta get him.
I'll go good, Avery.
Right
oh
over
shit,
here.
baby zombies. It does so much damage.
Sure. Gong! Yeah! Yo, I'm down. I'm dead.
No, you...
Please tell me it's explosive crossbow. Please tell me it's explosive crossbow. One. Yes! Explosive crossbow.
Have any artifacts, I just realized.
TNT for when he comes over here.
That's me.
Oh, well, that's dangerous. Is it TNT?
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Throw it, throw it, throw it! Heal. Okay, last couple of golems.
I love the Sawblade
so much. Now I can't use my bow anymore. Oh, God, frick.
What? No, that's so unlucky. That is so unlucky.
Definitely get that.
I don't know why I did that. I was just
Mushroom.
Oh yeah, I'm getting
Yes.
Death Cap Mushroom. Imagine what that would be like with the Sawblade.
No! I keep forgetting about that.
Nice.
I don't remember what. Yeah, it was 15 where we died.
Let's go,
It
dude.
was like so overwhelming. Go to the kitchen to undead. Thanks, Xander.
Yeah, I almost died in the process. You should be very happy.
It gives us a lot of artifact damage.
Is it splendid?
Yeah.
I look like a fucking superhero.
I am punching everything to death.
I love punching things.
What?
I love punching things, see?
I love punching things. Punching is so fun.
I don't even have to. I barely have to swing my hand, honestly. I just my arm. Just kind of do that. Poke him a bit, and my sword does.
I'm so fast now. Like for some reason I don't know how, but I'm just like super fast.
This is where we died last.
I'm like super.
Yeah, there are enemies over you. You can't enchant. They just spawn out.
Oh, what is happening?
So,
What is happening?
I won't be for long. I won't be for long. Avery, get out of
so
here.
many witches! Get the witches! Get the witches! Ah! What am I doing anymore? What is life? What is anything? What is
We're gonna live. It's good.
anymore?
We'll get through it, guys. It's okay.
There's one more enemy. Holy crap!
Yeah, that
Oh my
was.
God.
Oh, bees.
B. Wait.
I'm taking a katana. I'm taking that katana.
Bees. Bees. I love bees.
You can
I
make a talk.
freaking love bees.
I'll give you that katana. I got a katana.
You do not know how much I love bees.
Okay, well, since you're getting the bees, I'm gonna get this.
Yeah, bees are so fun. They're so fire.
I get 5?
I got a katana.
Is this a
Oh,
boss?
this is where we died. No, this is where we died.
Guys, everybody. So
No, we died on the last one. Oh, great.
Oh. Okay, get to air bubbles so you don't die. You have to get to air bubbles like this. You need a key. Why do our pets get bubbles?
I got
Because they're...
Stuck.
Oh,
I'm
God,
going
oh,
to
God.
die. Air.
Ah, you fuck. No, I fell.
Air. I need air.
I need help.
Air.
I need to not do that. Who has the key?
Where's the key?
Avery.
Me, I have the key, I have the key.
Sure.
Get air. Please get air, guys. Get air. I
Try.
don't think we killed every. There's a whole bunch of more.
I got 2 tridents.
Oh my gosh, I'm so low. That's.
Wait,
oh,
how do
that's
you use
over.
tridents? It's bad.
Oh no, not in this again. I hate having to grasp for air every 5 seconds. Oh, that's a baby drown! I didn't know this existed, actually.
I did. Those are in the...
I'm dead.
Oh, great.
Oh, this is where we die.
No, I got 3 teams live. Team live.
Guys,
left.
come on. Stop sucking.
I'm trying.
Ah, Jesus, but get rid of these guys first.
Okay,
About to
get rid of
die.
the guys who are summoning vines. Avery, get a healing potion or something that heals you.
Well, arrows don't fucking go far at all.
My explosive thing barely even works.
Oh, that's why I have the harpoons.
Air.
I see. These harpoons go really fast.
Like a fucking superhero.
Holden, what boss is this gonna be?
Oh, it's this guy again. Well, we all know what to
the
do.
red dude. It's big, it's monstrosity. It's the monstro. Oh, it's this. It's easy.
Oh, it's a different thing.
It's the Cauldron.
Oh wait, I wasn't paying attention.
Base skin.
I was upgrading shit.
That's boss 4. Oh guys, we have
It's okay, the enemies in spawn so very weak.
we're gonna
But we
actually
do a lot of damage.
Oh yeah, this is my pickaxe. I keep forgetting. My pickaxe. This is my pickaxe.
Oh shit.
When you
I
do
did not
like
know it did that.
when you guys. Well now it can't move, so we can't get you. There's no getting up.
That's okay. That's her first death, I think.
We have to go like a whole. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Just don't get too close to the boss.
Well, here's my spot.
Avery! Wow, yeah.
Sorry, yeah, it's actually
I'm alive.
awesome. I think I'm gonna get
Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, right. Oh! Oh, the sneak attack. Back.
Oh god.
Oh, it's one of those
Oh
guys.
god.
No.
Oh, get away!
It's the guy's exploding clap.
I got some teammates. Oh.
Okay, better that. You need to take out that dude. You need to take out that dude. Nice damage trend in my point. We gotta find who's summoning those. I'll find the guy.
He's over here. Killed him.
Kill him.
There's
another one.
like
Don't
3
got him.
more. There's
There's
like
another
4
one.
more. There are 5 more.
Ooh,
Oh,
yeah.
hey,
Come on.
Why do I never throw TNT?
I have
What happened?
so many explosive things. What is happening? Holy crap! This is pure chaos. Okay, we still have 2 more lives. Well, one that we can respawn with. The other we can't. Okay. Bombs away! Bombs away! Guys, the helmet! Someone used the helmet! Holy crap! What's happening anymore?
I don't know what's going on here.
Yeah, we're losing.
We are.
Last
This
chance.
is where we die.
Okay, aim for the guys. Aim for the guys with the big, who has pillars. Aim for the guys who have the pillars. Use ranged weapons.
Kill 2 of them.
There's another.
Quit on the TNT.
Okay, we're doing better this time.
But we need to aim for those guys.
Oh wait, there are only 27 floors, aren't there?
Okay, we better.
Oh, I fell off. Oh, I fell off. Such an idiot.
There's mages. Ice! 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 Enderman! My bees are well trained.
Of course, I just did the same thing twice.
Bombs away!
Defeat mobs without touching the ground. What is that? You're always on the ground. Ow.
I'm never trading this bow. It's really good.
I just got a new bow.
I'm literally one-shotting enemies. And the enemies are also one-shotting me! Purchase from each of the tower's vendors.
119
We are
to
getting so many
175 melee damage, extra damage to undead. And I got backstock critical hit.
What does it mean by get unique? Oh, okay. Mechanized
You can make anything
Sawblade.
like
upgrades
gold or
into like the
unique.
best.
Oh, I like that a lot. Okay, yeah. This was not a mistake. These guys suck. Okay, what is happening?
Use your bow against them.
I can't move. Jeez. I just got blasted.
Jeez.
Guys, get out of the fire.
Yep, we're gonna
I
die.
think we're
Sorry,
dead.
guys.
We don't have any more lives, do we?
No. I got this. I don't got this. Holy crap. We're so close.
I'm probably gonna get a really
Oh
good
my
rewards.
god!
Alright. Dude, the rewards you get from this are always really good.
Rookie.
Wait, did we get both of those, or did we only get one?
I think we got both.
I think you choose one to claim.
Yeah.
Yeah, you choose which one to get. I got the Venom Glaive. I'm gonna test that out.
Yeah, me too. You guys want to go do something?
Let's do some story quests. Wait, how about we do like these, the treasure ones, like
Should we go to
the extra
Minecraft?
things, like